Hello everyone, welcome to Bambatha Kamancinza TV. I'm here to update you ngokuzokwenzeka My Brother's Keeper kusukela namhlanje mhla ka-17 March 2025 kuya ngoLwesihlanu mhla ka-21 March 2025. Ngomsombuluko mhla 17 March 2025, Ndumiso and Mshengu try to stop Ngubekwa from turning to Mamchunu, but he refuses. Toba and Didi hit it off. Unbeknownst to Sibusiso, Fakazile kicks Magazi out after an argument but quickly apologizes before she leaves. NgoLwesibili mhla 18 March 2025, Mshengu plead with Ngubekwa for Mamchunu's freedom. Khathazile can't wait to be a makoti in white. Sibusiso gives the permission to date and find love again. NgoLwesithathu mhla 19 March 2025, strategy strikes the Shabalalas leaving a wound that will never heal. Khathazile plan to renew her vow in hopes of making amends with Mamchunu. NgoLwesine mhla ka-20 March 2025, the aftermath of people blaming each other derails the funeral preparation. Mshengu acts out as he grappled with a great loss. Ngubekwa feel responsible for what the family has suffered. NgoLwesihlanu mhla ka-21 March 2025, Mshengu struggled with the new status quo and blamed Ngubekwa for what transpired. Ngubekwa blames Doreen for misleading him. Toba asked Didi to make up her mind. Ke bamba lana ungakhohlwa ukwenza notification bell nokusubscribe nomsho umbono wakho. Bye.